Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to customize who can see your region on Facebook using your PC with the new update. This is a great way to manage your privacy and control who knows where you're located. Let's get started. First, open Facebook. Launch your web browser and go to facebook.com. Log into your account if you aren't already logged in. Next, click on your profile photo. You'll find it in the top right corner of the page. This will take you to your profile page. Once you're on your profile, navigate to the About section. This is where you can find and edit your personal information. In the About section, look for Region. Next to your region, you'll see an audience icon. Click on that icon. This allows you to adjust who can see your region information. From the drop-down menu, select Custom. This option lets you specify exactly who can and cannot see your region. A window will pop up where you can enter specific names of people you want to share your region with, or exclude. Fill in the fields to tailor your audience to your exact preferences. Finally, click Save to apply your custom settings. Your region visibility is now updated according to your specifications. And that's it. You've successfully customized who can see your region on Facebook. This feature helps you maintain greater control over your personal information and enhance your privacy on the platform. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more Facebook tips and tricks. Happy browsing!